Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you'll have a lot of fun in your life. Friends, it's me Asya, and today I show you in this video my stylish and latest collection. Of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyles. With beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, so beautiful collection of hairstyling, fine hairstyles, wavy curly hairstyling, messy hairstyles, so beautiful collection of spiky hairstyles. With a spike with undercut. Many much more ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas of funky colors. So beautiful collection of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut. Wedge haircut and different type of cuts, some ideas, layer, deep layer. Some ideas, step undercut. And the latest type of cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut. Cropped haircut, different ideas of bang. Chin and bang, nose and bang. And many much more stylish collection. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, it looks so nice. Very stylish and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support or help, so I hope you do this. And share your all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video. Take care and bye bye.